today with Euro Car Parts, we're going to be showing you how to fit roof bars to a car that has roof rails. So there's a number of different ways that you can fit these, but on this particular car, the easiest way is for us to remove the clamps from the rail itself. Just get the key, you unlock the end, you take that off and you can slide these out. The next bit that you'll then do is get the clamps and you'll attach them onto the rails themselves. And you want to just do up this 5mm Allen key very loosely, just to get the clamp mounted on the rail. Once that's loosely in place, the next step is to get the rail. We'll slide it back onto the clamp. It can be a little bit fiddly, and then we'll go around to the other side, sliding it onto the second clamp. So now the next step will be to get an Allen key, do up the clamps, and then put the end caps back on. So now we're just going to get the Allen key, do the clamp up, pulls the whole thing together, nice and steady, and then we can put the cap. So that's the first one done. We will fit the second one, and it needs to be at least 700mm apart as per the instructions. But for all your traveling and touring needs, shop at eurocarparts.com.